Welcome to Car Videos for Kids, episode 15. Okay guys, we're gonna do a tour of this guy's garage and I do not know his name, but let's take a tour. So this is this guy's golf cart. It looks pretty risky. And right here is the go-kart and right here's some jet skis. Oh, and he has a Camaro. Pretty nice, right? But he hasn't put the engine in it, so that's okay. Okay, so this is his boat. Looks pretty nice. So, if you happen to know what Camaro this is, what year it is, I mean, and bloop it down in the comments if you think you know. Okay?
You what?
So we just washed it. It's pretty clean, and we're about to tow it to get it to our house and work on it to get it running again. It goes 130 miles per hour too. Guys, and it's time to take off the old man goober parts off. So, it'll be fun. Off of it, so it looks super cool and fun. So we took off the windshield, the saddlebags, and the other seat. The only thing that should have saddlebags is your old man saddle. Next, we have to clean the gas tank, and we're going to use all these vinegar, because when you put vinegar and rust together, the rust goes away, and it comes out to yucky mud. I don't know what it's called. But we're going to get all this rust out of this field. Guys, we just, we are emptying out all the rust, and it's turning out to be pretty clean. And it's been about 24 hours to see what we find in the rust. Okay guys, we're about to get it started, and fingers crossed we're gonna get it started. Oh yeah, we gotta check the oil. Okay guys, this is the second time, number 2, and I hope we're gonna get it running. like and subscribe. Also, we have a website called carvideosforkids.com. We have merch coming soon, so hats or t-shirts. Which one? Bleep bloop it down in the comments, please.